If you're worried about how inflation is eating away at your savings, a gold IRA could be one of the best solutions to safeguard your wealth. The rising costs of goods and services affect everyone, but for retirees, it can feel even more threatening as you rely on your savings to fund your lifestyle. In this video, we'll dive into how a gold IRA works, why it's a strong hedge against inflation, and how you can use it to protect your hard-earned money. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next 2 weeks, I recommend clicking the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to secure their financial future, and you can start today by learning the steps to build a more stable retirement. Let's jump in. First off, inflation erodes the purchasing power of your dollars. While interest rates and the stock market can fluctuate, precious metals like gold have historically held their value even in times of economic instability. A gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold, which can act as a hedge against inflation, because gold tends to appreciate when the value of paper currency declines. In comparison, keeping all your savings in traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or even cash exposes you to inflation risk. If inflation goes up, those assets may not deliver the same value you expect. But when you hold gold, you're diversifying in a way that can weather economic storms. And that's why more Americans are turning to gold IRAs. They provide a way to protect wealth in a rapidly changing economic climate. But how exactly does a gold IRA help you hedge against inflation? Well, think about it. Gold's price typically rises when inflation rises. In fact, during the 2008 financial crisis, when stock markets plunged, gold prices soared. This is why it's considered a safe haven. By including gold in your IRA, you're essentially investing in an asset that's less likely to be affected by currency devaluation or stock market volatility. You don't have to guess or speculate about gold's future. Over time, the demand for gold has consistently outpaced supply, especially in times of financial uncertainty. That's why it's often seen as one of the most reliable stores of value. If you're looking for a stable way to diversify your portfolio and protect your retirement funds, a gold IRA is definitely something you should consider. It gives you the flexibility to hold a tangible asset that isn't directly tied to the performance of the stock market. Plus, with a gold IRA, you're not just buying gold coins or bullion. You can also invest in gold-backed ETFs or other gold-related assets, allowing for a bit more flexibility in how you protect your wealth. Now, I know some of you might be wondering if other investment vehicles might work just as well. Cash, for example, is an obvious alternative, but with inflation eating away at the value of the dollar, it's one of the least effective ways to protect your money over the long term. Similarly, stocks may provide growth, but they're far more volatile and tied to market cycles that can leave you exposed to market crashes. On the other hand, a gold IRA isn't just about the security it provides today. It's also about the future. With geopolitical tensions, market volatility, and the rising cost of living, having gold in your portfolio can give you peace of mind, knowing that your wealth is protected from future uncertainties. So, if you're serious about hedging against inflation and securing your wealth, don't wait. Click the link in the description to get your free guide on how to set up a gold IRA. Whether you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even $5 million plus in savings, this strategy is perfect for American retirees looking to preserve their wealth. In fact, more retirees are turning to gold IRAs because they realize that, in uncertain times, protecting your savings with gold is one of the best decisions you can make. Remember, inflation won't stop anytime soon, but you can make the smart choice to protect your financial future. If you're serious about taking action, download your free guide now and learn why so many Americans are choosing to protect their wealth with a gold IRA today.